Well, the last question here on my homework, number 25, it's a multiple choice question, so it's quite a bit shorter, luckily, than the last four problems. Um, but it's a little tricky. They say find f of x and g of x such that. So they tell you that h of x is f of g of x. And remember, another way to think of that is f of g of x. And they're asking you to pick. You'll have four choices on your multiple choice. They're asking you to pick f and g of x such that when you put them together, when you make a composite function out of them, you end up with this expression. Well, what I think about is really just substitution. So we're substituting something in, and we have a sixth power on the outside. Well, this part that you're substituting in is the g of x. So this 7x plus 1 on the inside, that has to be g of x. All right, so then on mine, that narrows it down. Then the answer has to be b. But then if g of x is 7x plus 1, that means f of x has to be x to the sixth. So if you think about this as substitution, this 7x plus 1 is getting substituted in there. And then the sixth power is still present. So on my choice, it's answer B, but I know you'll have different expressions to deal with. So just think of it as substituting one expression into the other. I think that makes sense.